Previously in Chapter 5.
Morgana's magic is formidable, sire.
Is she friend or foe? We cannot afford uncertainty in these dire times.
Morgana, the kingdom is in turmoil. Will you stand with us or against us?
Camelot's fate hangs by a thread, and my role is entwined with the tapestry of destiny.
News arrived of a village plagued by a mysterious ailment.
The people suffer, and only your magic may save them.
I will aid them, for the people are innocent threads in the grand curtain.
In the heart of Camelot, the tension between love and loyalty reached a breaking point. Lancelot, the most skilled swordsman among the knights, had always been known for his unwavering loyalty to King Arthur. However, the love he held for Queen Guinevere had become a point of contention within the order.
One evening, as the knights gathered in the grand hall, a hushed murmur filled the air. Sir Lancelot's presence was notably absent. Sir Galahad leaned in, concern etched upon his youthful face.
Where is Lancelot? He should be here.
Merlin, the ancient wizard, raised an eyebrow.
He is not here because of Guinevere, I suspect.
The knights exchanged knowing glances, aware of the tension that had been brewing between Lancelot and Queen Guinevere. Meanwhile, Lady Morgana, her eyes shimmering with intrigue, approached the queen.
My dear Guinevere, you seem troubled. Is there a matter that weighs on your heart?
Guinevere hesitated, torn between her loyalty to her husband, King Arthur, and her affection for Lancelot.
It's complicated, Morgana. Lancelot and I, our hearts are entwined in a way that defies reason.
Morgana's lips curled in a sly smile.
Matters of the heart can be quite complex. But remember, dear Queen, that the heart often leads us down treacherous paths.
As night fell, Lancelot stood alone in the moonlight, grappling with his emotions. Morgana approached him, her voice soft as a whisper.
Lancelot, do you not yearn for a love that knows no bounds? A love that defies the constraints of duty?
Lancelot's eyes met hers, torn between his love for Guinevere and the enigmatic allure of Morgana's words.
I love Guinevere with all my heart, but our love is a forbidden flame.
Morgana's fingers brushed his cheek, her touch sending shivers down his spine.
Perhaps, dear Lancelot, it is time to embrace the destiny that fate has woven for us.
Back in the grand hall, tensions rose as the knights sensed the growing divide between Lancelot and the queen. Sir Gawain confronted Lancelot, his voice laced with frustration.
You must choose, Lancelot. Your loyalty to Arthur or your love for Guinevere.
Lancelot's jaw clenched, his decision weighing heavily on him.
I will stand by Arthur, as I always have.
As loyalties were tested and secrets hidden, the Knights of Avalon found themselves on the brink of a crisis that threatened not only their unity, but also the kingdom itself.
This concludes Chapter 6 of The Knights of Avalon, featuring actor Scott Jameson as our guest storyteller. Kindly drop a review for Chapter 6 below and let us know. Remember, your reviews are crucial to us. Don't forget to listen to the rest of the episodes.